So, you guys have been asking, and let's be real, I was curious too. Is there a nudist beach in the St. Pete and Tampa area?
Okay.
For you, my friends, I decided to launch a full-scale investigation. My mission: ride my e-bike from Gulfport all the way to Fort De Soto Park to find out the truth. This wasn't just a simple ride. It turned into a moving postcard of stunning water views, epic bridges, and that classic Florida air. I started my journey in the charming town of Gulfport. My plan was to hop on a bike trail, but I might have taken a little scenic detour at first. Hey, getting a little lost is part of the adventure, right? After a quick course correction, I found myself on the Fred Marquis' Pinellas Trail. If you haven't been on it, you're missing out. It's this incredible multi-use trail that slices right through Gulfport and heads into St. Petersburg. Riding on the Pinellas Trail is like entering a bike lane world. It's clean, it feels incredibly safe, and you're not constantly battling with cars. The path is flat, which means you can pick up some easy speed on an e-bike and actually enjoy the scenery. And the whole time, you're in Pinellas County, so the water is never far. Even when you can't see the bay, you can smell that salty air, and it just pulls you forward. As I pedaled closer to St. Petersburg, the vibe shifted. It started to feel more like a city, with more buildings and a bit more hustle. From there, I started aiming south and west, heading toward the Bayway. This was the big moment, the turning point of the ride. Because once you hit the Pinellas Bayway, you're not just traveling anymore. You're literally crossing over the water. The Bayway is a series of bridges connecting the mainland to the barrier islands, and it's an absolute game changer. You leave the sheltered trail behind.
Alrighty, then let's just have a go at Google Leegi and see what is shaking. Degenerates. As you can see, it is not one of those forthcoming type search results when it comes to plugging in nude beaches into Goo. So you got to treat as a sort of speakeasy type of sharbang, you know, sort of catch as catch can. I guess feel yourself around a dark room without getting stung. I guess blogs by real people might hit the spot. Ah, good show. Bump, bump. Nothing about naked people. Everything sort of standard. Wait a minute. She seems to be real enough. Oh, she is responding to his question. Haha, this guy's a weenie. So it appears, to find the nude section, you have to go east along Anderson Boulevard. Although I cannot see an Anderson when I pull up the Google map, you'll see. So, yay, Anderson until the road ends. But where is bloody Anderson? You daft lass. You will see a circle of trees. Blah blah. This place is also called Mullet Key. Go ahead, laugh. Send me all your 1993 called They Want Their Haircut Back or Party in the Back business up front memes. But as indicated by 3 different Google answers confirmed in the dark internet speak easy nether regions of the World Wide Web, the common denominator is mullet, East Beach, tree circle, thingy, as it were, ... So my work seems to be cut out for me. After we stop to see a bunch of paragliders, a little backstory consists of 5 offshore keys, or islands: Madeline Key, St. John Key, St. Christopher Key, Bon Fortune Key, and the main island, Mullet Key. The keys are connected by either bridge or causeway. The island group is accessible by toll road from the mainland. Historically, the islands were used for military fortifications. Remnants in a museum exhibit this history. 2 piers, beaches, picnic area, hiking trails, bicycling trails, kayak trail, and a ferry to Egmont Key State Park are available. Well, degenerates. We are as far down this inlet as shown on Google Map and, well, there are paragliders and motorhome campers and dogs and families and scuba equipment. I do not believe I see an hotties in the buff, as it were. Just because I came so damn far anyway, and I sure would like some payoff for all the toils gone into this YouTube production. I believe I will go walk about, as it were. Maybe the naked people are just beyond that circle of trees, as mentioned in a mythical, enchanting land of hedonism and debauchery. I'm saying there's a chance. Oh, fuck this shit. God damn, look at what becoming a YouTuber has drove me to. Am I really a grown-as middle-aged man in a semi-forest of no import with an iPhone 14 trying to record some fat, naked, varicose-veined old yuppies just for an ounce of clout and algos? Fuck this. I'm throttling 17 miles home. Now! Wait, I have not checked out that East Beach thing yet. Holy shit! God damn, look at that fucking castle! This would make the Duke of Canterbury come his medieval leotards. I mean, my word, this makes up for everything. I literally have seen the coolest fucking sandcastle in the fucking world. It's got the Native American motif, the flipping accoutrements, bells and whistles. Take me now, I have done seen it all, Lord. You wanton degenerates can troll for nude sunbathers on the net all you want. I am gonna cherish this bad boy.